Because I'll never hear this ever again.
What did you say, Carlos?
Yeah, he loves me.
Really?
She
She wants what?
Body.
Ew.
What part of it?
What can you do with that?
Part of it.
The
The
hell?
droplets that you're having?
The triplets.
Oh my God, Dolce, come
Wake
here.
up.
Ew, that's disgusting.
Put him in it too.
I don't want Dolce.
I
Get
want
Dolce.
Dolce, give me him.
Mm.
He's so cute.
I know you putting the camera in my face.
I know. No Dolce
Yo,
left.
I'm right here too.
I'm right here too.
Hi!
Oh, your hip hurts my hip.
You're
Right on my hip. What the hell? Are you drunk too? My hip's not even next to you.
Yeah.
My freaking stomach, you ass.
It hurts.
Yeah.
And they're getting rid of it again, the people we gave it to.
Why?
Oh my God.
What
It's
freaking
probably
ass.
bad.